Hello students, I'm Dr. Manisha Buddhiraja and today here I am to share with you something which I feel is really important for you. Now there was this architect who went at the construction site of a cathedral and there he saw three workers breaking stones. So he went to the first one and asked him, "What are you doing?" So it was hot, he was sweating and he looked at him, gave him very bad look and said, "Can't you see what I'm doing? I'm breaking stones. My life is not easy. This is what I need to do every single day to earn a living." So now he went to the next one and asked him the same question. So he said, "I'm making this wall behind me. Don't disturb me. It's very hot." Okay, now he went to the third one and he asked him, "What are you doing?" This third one was sweating. Yes, it was very hot, but he had a beautiful smile on his face. And you know what he said? He said, "I am learning how to make a beautiful cathedral where thousands and millions of people will come and pray." And this was exactly the one who, after a few years, could build a beautiful cathedral of his own. So now let me ask you this. What are you doing? Are you also learning to become that doctor to whom thousands and millions of people are going to come to get treated? Are you also learning to become that one doctor whom you will trust to show yourself or your relatives or your loved ones? Because you know that just by asking a few questions and doing a few examinations, this doctor can exactly come to the correct diagnosis and always give the correct treatment. So if you are learning to become this doctor in whichever stage of preparation you are in, will you not like to study whatever you are studying right now with full understanding of that particular topic? Will you not like to revise the same thing till you have actually got it and remembered it? Will you mind giving the test again and again till you have attained perfection in this level before you go to the next level of perfection of becoming a specialist? Now, I happened to ask this question from a few students, and you know what they said? They said, MBBS के बाद इतना saturation है, job कहाँ है? कमाएंगे क्या, खाएंगे क्या? So does this not sound like the first one? Is money not important? Yeah, of course it is important. It is very, very important. But don't you think if you are that one doctor who sees each and every patient with that knowledge and that love that he would have given to any of his loved one, will people from all over not come to show him? Yes, of course they will come, and money will flow much more than you would have ever expected. So now ask yourself this question: what am I doing?